students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Preeti Divyani, your faculty, and today in this video I am going to prove Lindelof's theorem from MSc Maths. Okay, one of the most important theorem from topology. So the statement is, let xt be a second countable space and E, which is subset of X, then each open covering of capital E is reducible to a countable subcovering of capital E. Okay, I hope you know the definition of second countable space, what is open covering of E, okay, what is countable subcovering of capital E. For more videos or for more explanation, you may comment below if you want the video on this. And guys, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the recent notification. And guys, if you want me to suggest the new topics or videos, please comment below or check my Facebook page PG tutorial. Proof. Let Gi such that small I belongs to capital I be an open covering of capital E, which implies what? E is the subset of union I Gi. Give it to number 1. Since xt is second countable space, there exists a countable base for the topology T. Let us suppose capital B be the family of Vn, be a countable base for capital T. So B is the collection of the countable base, okay, of T. Therefore, for each small x belongs to capital E, there exists an integer small ix belongs to capital I, which is index set, such that small x belongs to Gix. Give it equation 2. Since B is base for T, each open set in T can be expressed as, by the definition of second countable space, we know that each open set in T can be expressed as the union of some members of B, and B is the family of countable base for T. Now, therefore, for each x belongs to capital E, there exists a Vnx belongs to capital B, such that x belongs to Vnx, which is subset of Gix. Give it equation 3. Okay, and therefore E is the subset of union x belongs to capital E V and x. Give it equation 4. Now, since in family V and x such that x belongs to capital E, which is subset of capital B base, and B is countable, which is B is countable, implies what? Implies family, I will write here, implies family which is V and X such that x belongs to capital E is also countable. Also countable because V and X is subset of B and B is countable, then automatically this family is also countable, and hence we may write family V and X such that X belongs to capital E is equals to family V and J such that small j belongs to capital J, where capital J is a countable subset of capital I. Countable subset of capital I. Then for each small j belongs to capital J, there exists a xj belongs to capital E such that V and J is equals to V and xj. Give it equation 6. Therefore, from equation 2 and 3, for each small j belongs to capital J, we may choose an index ixj belongs to capital I such that V and xj is subset of V I xj. Give it to equation 7. Thus from equation 4, 5, 6 and 7 we get E is the subset of union X belongs to capital E, V and X. From equation 4 we get E is a subset of this. After that we get that union of this is subset of B. After E is a subset of union of V and S, which is also a subset of union J from here, V and J, which is subset of union X belongs to capital E, V and X of J. Okay. From there, after that it is a subset of union V I X of J, and again this is the subset of union X belongs to capital E, G of I X J, which implies capital E is the subset of union X belongs to capital E, G I X J. Give it equation 8. Moreover, the family G I X J, small j belongs to capital J, is countable. Hence, by definition from equation 8, the family Gixj is a countable subcovering of capital E. Thus, each open covering of capital E is reducible to a countable subcovering of capital E. So this is the proof of Lindelöf theorem from MSc Maths, one of the important theorem from topologies. And if you like the video, Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and motivate us and suggest some more ideas for the proof and the videos. Thanks for watching my videos.